friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do some snowflakes out of paper. Are you guys ready? Let's start. So first we need some paper. Orange paper, yellow paper, any kind of. We need a scale and some scissors and a pencil. And also we could also color it with some markers. Alright, now let's start. First, we need to take an edge and fold it through here. Make sure this edge is kind of creased and sharp. It could go like a square. And the most important thing is that this edge is sharp. Now, let's crease it, and with a scissors, we need to cut. And now, it's a triangle. Alright, you see this edge? We need to crease it. So put it, fold it like that. And now let's crease it. Done. And now let's do it one more time. Okay, do that. Now we need to repeat the same step we did before. Make sure this edge is kind of sharp. Alright, now let's crease it down. Okay, done. And now we need to unfold the crease we just made. Now this is a point for the next step because it's going to be a little tricky. Now, see at this end? We need to hold here. We folded one side. Now let's crease it again so it's much better. Now take the other side and make sure these two edges are lined up like this. See? Now flip the other way. You can see this part. We need to cut that part. Now we could put any kind of designs we want. But I'm going to use a scale and now make a line with using a pencil. Alright, so we're almost done. And also if you want to make a circle at the middle of your snowflake, you may. And I'm going to put a circle. A little circle, that's it. Right there. Here. And now I'm going to put a snowflake pattern on here. Okay. And now let's do a loop. And down. Up. And make a loop. And down. See? And at the top, I don't want that to be a little straight. Get a little curve. Now it is perfect. Now it's just cutting time. Okay, now let's cut it. Now, let's open our snowflake. Wow! This is so beautiful, right? Also, I made these two already. Let's open this and I'll tell you the fun part. Now, it's the fun part. It is coloring time! And we could color the snowflake with paint, markers, crayons, anything. But I'm going to use some markers. Alright, I am done. Do you like this snowflake? Leave it down in the comment below. And now, I will show you some of my snowflakes. Alright, this is the one we did together. And this is some gift paper tissue. This is a red one. This is a green one. And this is a blue snowflake. And this is a yellow. This is my favorite color, pink. And these are white paper, just like this one. Alright, I'll show you those then. And this is a rainbow snowflake. This is another rainbow snowflake. And this is by my favorite colors. This is another rainbow snowflake. Which is your favorite snowflake? Leave it down in the comment below. Mine is this one. What is yours? I hope you liked this video. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button. Bye. Thank you for watching. See you soon.